Senior business editor Mike Eppel joins us now. And Mike, Donald Trump's tariff plan is having a major impact on the loonie. This must be a key concern for investors right now.
It's the economic uncertainty. Let's face it, this sort of came out of the blue. We knew that he was looking at imposing tariffs on Canada at some point, maybe not on the first day, January 20th, inauguration day, and not anywhere near the extent of 25% on so many items. So down went the Canadian dollar today by about 0.5 cent, which, isn't the biggest move. I think the issue here, Cynthia, is the fact we don't know exactly how this is going to transpire.
Definitely, and this could be an issue for some time. Now, Canada has deep trade ties with the U.S. right across the board, but some sectors will be hit harder than others, Mike.
Well, one thing we know or believe is that the energy sector is not going to be included. The U.S. relies on us for so much energy. They'd be foolish to cut off the north-south flow of oil. But you look at the auto industry, for example. A vehicle crosses the border so many different times in the assembly process. I watched General Motors stock today drop 8%. There's the lumber trade. There's any industry that deals with the United States. They're going to be hit with potential tariffs and, as well, the currency devaluation. Let's not forget about that.
Definitely. Okay, now let's talk about inflation. Will this have any impact on future interest rate cuts?
Potentially, because again, if you're dropping the Canadian dollar, if it's already under pressure, the Bank of Canada isn't going to have the wherewithal to cut interest rates as aggressively as maybe they were thinking just a couple of weeks ago. Because the U.S. dollar is very strong, U.S. interest rates aren't coming down. If you make too much of a differential between Canadian and U.S. rates, the Canadian dollar is going to crater potentially below 70 cents in very short order. So they might go another 0.25% December 11th, or maybe not.
Okay, Mike, thank you very much. And that is Senior Business Editor Mike Eppel.